is us, the trees, the grass. We love nature. Nature is everything in the world. Everybody play in nature. Yes. We love nature. We love to touch it. We love to sit on it. We love to kiss it.
This is nature. This
Nature.
is all nature.
Nature.
Even the ants and
The
the
neighborhoods
birds, they're
are
all
nature.
nature.
They're all our nature. So stop killing them and stabbing them and stuff.
Are they
and burning them,
crunchy?
But they're nature. The trees.
They're kind and nasty, but they're
Nature. You want to disrespect it, but how y'all think y'all get trees? From the bees.
Yeah.
Bees are nature.
And money made out of trees.
Please. Thank for Nature Day. Bye.
Don't forget to like.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hit
Bye.
the dance for later.
And for more nature things. Bye.
Follow us